Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry from Mowers and Blowers. So in part 2 today of my DLS3500 lawn tractor that I got yesterday, this is what happened. Previously on Mowers and Blowers. It up for $350, and so I texted him back and I says, $350? Man, I don't pay retail prices. I'm a reseller, And so he's like, okay, 50. I said, 50? I'll come get it for 50. And it's just rolling down by itself. Didn't have to do anything. Anyway, like I said, it looks like that's basically the big problem is the front toe steering. So the wheels are towed out. It's a rainy day today in Long Island, and so today, I'm in the garage. I've got like a little space, to do things. I've got the thing jacked up on the top there. Drop the deck down a little bit so I can see what's going on. So if you try to line up the wheels, at least on the right hand side, I'm gonna just line it up straight, right? I inspected the steering bar and that seemed to be okay. As you can see, once this is straight, right, this one over here is towed out like at least not quite 45 degrees, but let's say 25 degrees, 30 degrees maybe, approximately. So it's towed out, right? Well, after inspection, my flashlight, there's the bar, steering bar bracket, right? And the bar goes over here and then over there. On this side, it's the same thing. There's the bar, right? There's no adjustment. There's no threads or screws or anything like that. And it goes straight to there, right? So if you just move it around, you'll see that that's how it works. See, I'm moving the wheel, the right wheel right now, so that's how it works. So there's no adjustment. See, it just goes into that ball joint, right into that bracket hole. Same goes on the other side. You got the swivel cog over there to the steering column, and that's how it works. So if you look at this bar on this right hand side, it's straight with one bend to another bend onto the bracket, right? So look at that carefully. That's straight, one bend, another bend, and there. Okay, I'm going to go on the other side now. So on this side, we've got the bend and another bend. But you know what, man? Here. There. You guys see that? Right there, it's bent. It's not completely straight. It's slightly bent upward. So that's what's causing, because it's bent. You guys see that? I could see it from here, like it's bent. It's not straight, you know what I mean? So because it's bent in, it makes sense because Leon told me that he hit something. So once he hit something, this steering arm bent and it's out of shape. So it's off by 30 degrees or something like that. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off, right? Take this bar off. It's connected to, that's going to be a big pain to get to, obviously, because I can't even see it, down there, connected to this right here. So I got to get in there and get that bolt off, get this arm off. Once I take the arm off, take a sledgehammer and bend this back straight. And if I bend that back straight, that ought to do it, you know. But that's a tall order. I'm gonna give it a try. So surprisingly, if you bend the thing all the way, the wheel all the way to the right, you could actually get access to a bolt on top here. It's just like a little space, you know. You can actually get it in there, and with holding the other bolt on this side here, you can actually turn it. So it looks like I'm going to be able to get this tough part right off here. So how about that? You got that bolt off, and that bar just dropped down, you know. And I'm going to loosen this one. This one here was insanely easy. I didn't need anything. I could hand get it off by my hand. It's insane. It's so loose. Now here it is, man. That's it right there. There's the steering bar. So you'll notice that there's a slight bend right here, okay? So I'm gonna try to understand this here. I guess if I put it like that, right? If I put it like that and I take a sledgehammer and bang down here, right? This will be extended more, right? And if it's extended more, it'll go like that. Oh, that's not good then, because that'll be more. So I actually have to bend it more? Son of a bitch. I'm going to think about this for a second, guys. I want it to bend more. Actually, do I want it to bend more? So I brought this thing downstairs so I can start hammering with my vise. Man, I banged it so hard I busted my vise. That's not good. Oh boy. I guess I'll have to bring it upstairs and bang it on the floor. I don't know if this is going to work, guys. I might have to order a new bar. It's just so strong I can't bend it back, and it doesn't look like it's going to make much difference either, you know? So after a lot of banging and bending and moving that damn arm like 4 times, finally got it kind of straight, you know? It's, there's a little bit of give here and there, you know, but pretty much straight. Ride's good. Love it. Good running tractor. 50 bucks. I'm going to power wash it now. So that's what it looks like now. That's what the engine compartment looks like. And we'll see what it looks like after the power wash. How about that, huh? Thing looks like new, doesn't it? It's amazing what a power wash does. Seriously, everybody's got to get one. This thing looks brand new, bro. I learned my lesson from last time. Every time you power wash something, you better cover that up, you know. So I've got a towel inside the carburetor chute, and I put a plastic bag over the entire air filter, so I don't think any water should get in there. Hope it starts though.